Getting Disney Plus on your EETV box depends on which model you have. We'll check compatibility first, then walk through the installation process step by step. First, check if your EETV box is compatible. Newer EETV Pro boxes from 2020 onwards with 4K capability fully support Disney Plus. These boxes have the processing power and updated software needed for smooth streaming. Older EETV boxes from before 2020 might have limited support or no native Disney Plus app. However, it's still worth checking as some older models may work with recent updates. The primary method is installing directly from the EETV App Store. Start by navigating to your EETV home screen using your remote control. Look for the Apps section or App Store in your main menu. This is where you'll find all available applications for your EETV box. Use the search function to look for Disney Plus. Type DISNE Plus to find the official Disney Plus application. Once you find Disney Plus in the search results, select it and click either Download or Install. The exact wording may vary depending on your box model. Be patient during installation. It typically takes 2 to 5 minutes depending on your internet connection speed and the box's processing power. Some EETV boxes also have access to the Google Play Store. If your box supports this, you can install Disney Plus directly from Google Play as an alternative method. Once installation is complete, you'll find the Disney Plus app on your EETV home screen. Launch the app and sign in using your existing Disney Plus account credentials. After signing in successfully, you're ready to start streaming. Make sure you have an active Disney Plus subscription and a stable internet connection for the best experience. Having trouble getting Disney Plus on your EETV box? Let's solve the most common installation problems step by step. First, if the Disney Plus app doesn't appear in your App Store, your EETV box likely needs a system update. This is the most common cause of missing apps. If installation keeps failing, try clearing your cache and restarting your box. Also, make sure you have enough storage space available. For streaming quality problems, the issue is usually your internet connection speed. Let's look at what speeds you actually need. Internet speed is crucial for smooth Disney Plus streaming. You need at least 5 megabits per second for HD quality and 25 megabits per second for 4K content. Here are the specific speed requirements for different streaming qualities. Standard definition needs just 3 megabits, HD needs 5 megabits, and 4K Ultra HD requires 25 megabits per second. If you're experiencing buffering or poor quality, test your internet speed first. You can do this through your EETV box settings or using a speed test website on another device. Storage space is another common issue. Your EETV box needs at least 1 gigabyte of free space for optimal app performance, including Disney Plus. To free up space, go to Settings, then Storage, and remove apps or content you no longer use. Regular restarts also help maintain performance. EE is continuously working to improve the streaming experience. Future updates will include better voice control for Disney Plus, personalized recommendations, and faster app loading times. Keep your EETV box updated to get these improvements as they become available. Regular updates ensure the best Disney Plus experience and access to new features.